How to sign up on Plex account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign up on your Plex account. For this, you want to open the Plex app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. Now, you want to tap on the sign up free option in order to create a new account. Here you have a couple of options. You can either continue with your Google account, with your Facebook account, or your Apple account. You can also tap on continue with Plex account. Here you will have to enter your email address. Then you want to create a new password. Make sure that you create a strong password. After that, you want to tap on the sign up option. By creating an account, you agree to the terms and conditions of Plex. As soon as you tap on the sign up option, your new account will be created. Now, you can also use your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account here. If you want to use Google account, tap on the Google option. Then you want to enter all the credentials of your Google account, such as your Gmail and password. As soon as you do that, you will be successfully signed up on Plex, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.